Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Starbucks Christmas drink. So let's get started. To draw this cute holiday drink, let's first start by drawing a big curve across for the rim of our Santa's hat. So I'm going to start right here with a point and just drag it across, say about this wide. And I'll give myself another point, and from there I'm just going to draw a soft curve. So it just helps me to see where I'm going by giving myself these 2 points since I'm drawing kind of big. Then from there, I'm going to round off this corner and then come down and come in. So same thing here, round it off and then come out and come in, and we're going to end about the same height as the other side. And then once again, connect it with another soft curve, just like the top. There. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and start to draw our cup. So I'm going to come in a little bit and I'm just going to angle and angle right here. Just the same thing. So I'm just going to go back and forth and try my best to match the angles on both sides. So I'll work on this side first. Let's say about this much, and same thing here. Let's go back and forth, just take a look. And now that we're about the same height, bring it down a tiny bit more. That's enough room for my eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with another soft curve. There. And then now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and come out a little bit, just pop it out a tiny bit. And this is going to be the sleeve where we have our logo. And then I'm going to come down and draw another angle. So I'm continuing my cup. So we're just coming out, but we're still continuing this angle. So just keep that in mind. And same thing here. Then let's see, let's keep going. So this part is a little bit longer, taller. So make sure, keep looking up at my camera, make sure I'm going about the correct, and so about right there. Now that they're about the same height, I'm going to go ahead and bring it in. So soften this corner, and then once again, connect it with another curve all the way across. There. So I've got one more layer. We're almost done. Then we're going to come back in, just like here, continuing down, continuing at the same angle. So if you're using a pencil, you would just draw a line going all the way through, and then you can pop this out. I think that would be a lot easier so that your line is more consistent. But I didn't want to erase, so I'm just going piece by piece. Okay, so now for the bottom, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and bring it in, round it off, and once again, one last curve to finish it off. There, for the bottom of our cup. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back up and draw the hat. So I'm going to come in right about here and towards the center, which is about right here. I'm going to pop it up like a little mountain, and then right about here, we're going to come in and draw a curve that comes in right about here. And then this part is going to come out, and we're going to come down to say about right here, and then here to give it a little tail, and then add a little circle or a big circle. It's all up to you. There. Now we have our Santa's hat in. Okay, so then from there we need to bring this cup to life. So in this area, I'm going to start about right here and start with a circle. Nice and big, fill up this area. And come across about right here and draw another circle. There. So let's see, I'm going to make this one a little bit wider. since I see there's a little bit more space evenly on both sides. Okay, so then I'm going to go from there and put in 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Sorry for the messy eyes. I will definitely come in here and fix them when I color. Okay, and then once again, same thing. Okay, so now that the eyes in, I'm going to come to the top of each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then a sweet smile right in between, so say about right here. And cap it off. Aww. There. And then to draw the Starbucks logo, I'm going to come into the center area and try my best to draw a circle in here. But if you're not comfortable with that, you can definitely find something you can trace, but I'm just going to wing it. And I just feel like I don't want anything too perfect. Looks a little bit better when it's not, so. Just draw a circle. Right into the center area. And bear with me here. Okay, there, approximately. So now that I have this big circle in, I can create the logo, and it's going to be a very simplified version of the Starbucks logo. So I'm going to say about right here, giving myself enough room for the crown. I'm going to come right here into the center area and just draw a curve going across right there in the center. Then from there, this is the base of my crown. I'm going to come to the center right here and draw a star. Right there, and then come over here and just draw, I guess you can fit 2 of these peaks to create our crown. Then from there, we're going to come right in, just come in a little bit, and same thing here, and just kind of draw a U for our face. And then centering, we're going to draw the body. Curve and curve. Same thing here. There. Try my best to be in the center. It's a little off, but it's okay. And then right here, we're going to come here and draw the hair. 2 and 3. And same thing here. 1, then come out. 2 and 3. And then for the tail, we're going to come to the side and come up, and then about right here, we're going to go ahead and split it. And same thing here. There. Okay, and then some details right here. We'll just put in 3 of these lines. And same thing here. And then the hair as well. We're just going to put in 1. And then of course we need to draw the face. I'm just going to make it very simple. Just dots for eyes. And a smile. And then a brow. There, and we'll put a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Christmas drink. I really hope you love this drawing and that it brought a smile to your day, and I really hope I also helped you to draw fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.